At Azim Premji University, we have students joining us from different parts of the country with multiple language backgrounds. There is a need for a bridge program to build the confidence and language ability of these students so that they can communicate better in English.
So for us, it's quite challenging to move on with courses which we had in first sem. That too, it was very new for us. So it became a little bit difficult to cope up with the English. And that too, we also came up with different backgrounds, with different medium of instructions in our previous graduation. So majorly in Azim Premji University, the readings and the assignments which we have to do are connected with in English. So that's the point where we came to know about English language support class, and fortunately I've also become part of it.
Apart from the bridge program, the center also offers workshops in reading and writing, and we also offer one-on-one tutorials for those students who feel the need for it in an activity-based manner, so that students get the space to use the language in real-life scenarios and get positive and enabling feedback which would help them to build and improve their language.
So earlier when I used to speak, I used to take a lot of pauses. There was a constant fear of judgment when I used to speak. But throughout the completion of this course, I am confident enough to speak without any pauses and without any fear of judgment. We all come with this notion that it's teacher teaching us. I also had this notion but after coming to this course, we had peer learning. Because we had activities where since the program was online, we were in breakout rooms, we were made to communicate with each other, and I realized how they have helped me in learn a lot many things, and how I have helped them in learning a lot many things.
That first class I realized I will make so many mistakes, but I will talk in English, because there is a point, there is an opportunity to talk in English. There is a possibility to improve your English, and the ALEC is only giving opportunity to student whose student can't understand English, can't read English. They are giving encouragement to you can come and join us.
And lastly, I would like to say that it's not only about speaking, writing or listening. It also involves creative thinking and critical thinking, because I remember we had activities where we were given a situation. It was more like an XTEM4. We were made to speak what we will do in such a situation. So it actually makes us think.
When we meet the students at the end of their course, it is amazing to see how they have grown in leaps and bounds in their confidence and ability to use the language. And this confidence and ability they carry with them for the rest of their lives.